Hey guys, Microsoft Surface lineup is known for their super sleek design and amazing build quality with the best hardware. Microsoft Surface lineup contains some of the great Windows tablets, but it also features a few unique lightweight ultrabooks like the Surface Laptop and the Surface Book. In this video, I will show you the top 5 Surface laptops that you must buy in 2019 and 2020. Let's start the video. The most affordable computer in the Surface lineup is Microsoft Surface Go. Microsoft Surface Go is a gorgeous machine that brings you an excellent Windows 10 experience in a 10-inch tablet. Microsoft Surface Go is powered by quite powerful Intel Pentium Core processor coupled with 8GB of RAM. It has got an 128GB of SSD storage which you can expand up to 512GB. Graphics is Intel HD Graphics 615 is quite powerful and impressive. Microsoft lineup is known for their best displays. 10-inch of PixelSense touch display will never disappoint you and gives the best picture quality. The 5MP of front-facing camera and 8MP of rear camera is capable of shooting 1080p videos. This laptop has got excellent design and amazing display with best build quality. This laptop will not disappoint you for the price of $400 and 30,000 Indian rupees. Links are given in the description. You can buy from there. Microsoft has crafted a tablet that can reasonably, without considerable compromise, will replace your laptops. Surface Pro 4 is launched in 2015 but still worth to buy in 2019. Microsoft Surface Pro is powered by Intel Core i5 and i7 processor, which is not of 8th generation. You have to buy the old generation processor. The graphics that is given here, Intel USD Graphics 620, will give amazing graphics performance. The RAM is 8GB and SSD option of 256GB is available. This has got a 12.3-inch of PixelSense display which gives the best display experience. There are ports provided and there is a 8MP of rear-facing camera and 5MP of front-facing camera. Both are capable to shoot 1080p videos. With its thin and sleeker design and amazing build quality, this laptop is worth of buying for $900. Links are given in the description. You can buy from there. Microsoft Surface Pro 6 is faster, sleeker and gives amazing performance with a long-lasting battery. This is the best Windows tablet you can buy in 2019. This stunningly looking tablet is powered by Intel Core i5 and i7 processor of 8th generation coupled with 8GB of RAM, supported with 256GB of SSD storage which makes it faster. Graphics provided here is Intel USD Graphics 620. Amazing display of 12.3-inch which is a PixelSense display gives you an immersive display experience. This has got an 8MP rear camera and 5MP of front camera capable of shooting 1080p videos. Buy this tablet PC for its great performance, long-lasting battery life. This tablet will cost you around $1,000 and above and 80,000 and above Indian rupees. Apart from their best tablet PCs, Microsoft Surface has got a great laptop too. Microsoft Surface Laptop 2 has got an excellent display, long-lasting battery, comfortable keyboard and fetching design mean the Surface Lap 2 is a high performer for everyday use. Microsoft Surface Laptop 2 is powered by Intel Core i5 and i7 8th generation processor coupled with 8GB of RAM. The storage option is 256GB SSD. The graphics option is Intel USD Graphics 620 which gives an average performance while gaming. The amazing thing in this laptop is its 13.5-inch PixelSense display that gives an immersive display experience. With a 720p of HD webcam comes with infrared. If you're looking for an alternate for MacBook Air, then this laptop is best for you. The only disappointment with this laptop is there is no Thunderbolt 3 option and too few ports provided. Will cost you around $1,200 and above and 1,20,000 above Indian rupees. Microsoft Surface Book 2 is the most innovative product in the Microsoft Surface lineup. It gives best performance, sleeker design, long-lasting battery life, and it is very handy too. This is the best laptop that you must buy in 2019. Microsoft Surface Book 2 is powered by Intel Core i7 8th generation processor, which gives amazing performance with a graphics option of Intel USD Graphics 620 as default, or you can buy another variant with a graphics option of Nvidia GeForce GTX 1060 for high graphics performance. It has got 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage. With its beautiful 15-inch of pixel sense display that gives amazing and incredible display experience with amazing set of ports, this laptop will not disappoint you in terms of ports. With a camera option of 8MP rear and 5MP front facing, capable of taking 1080p videos, this laptop has got amazing long lasting battery life, massive performance and lightweight and excellent cooling system. This laptop is just value for money package. You can buy this laptop for $1,400 and 1,40,000 Indian rupees. So these are the best Microsoft Surface laptops that you can buy in 2019. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.